cement and close one. A little watery. We shot our elevation with a transit. Had a buddy of mine help me. And this screw right here is our elevation. We marked each sonotube with that screw. So we actually know our height. I didn't want to cut the sonotube because I figured I'd cut it crooked, so we decided to do it this way. I think it's a pretty slick idea. Put our rebar in there. Not too bad. Only took about a few hours to get this done. Definitely wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but let me tell you, mixing cement is no joke. I probably could have rented a cement mixer or something, but a little bit of extra effort, get the job done. Yeah, we're gonna change out this blade here. It's pretty beat. I was just making cedar posts. I wasn't really, and they weren't the best cedar logs in the world, so kind of used what I could out of that blade. These blades are getting expensive. I can get them shopping for $9 a piece, which I have been doing for a few years now. I'm getting to the point where I need to buy like another 10 pack or so. Oh, look at that. Anybody watching, you got any recommendations where do they get these 144 inch? It's about 1 1/4 inch, 1 3/8. If you know any deals, let me know. Put your comment in the comment section and help a brother out. Do it. We got our first and second cut done. We're gonna rotate this log and follow through with the process. I just cut. I'm gonna turn those into firewood. I'll throw them in a pile right there probably. And this one here, I try to get a 6x6 out of it. I'm gonna pick a few more 6x6s out of here before the stuff rots away. And there we have it, folks. Nice 6x6. Look at the little caterpillar. Just dangling. So, out of that nasty pile of wood that's probably 2 years old, we got some nice beams out of it. This here, I believe, is spruce, and it's almost dry. I don't have a moisture meter, but beautiful piece of wood. Sawed up nicely, and then the two poplars, they're pretty wet still. I don't know if it ever dries. Poplar's pretty tough to dry, but they're cut into 6x6s, so eventually when we're ready for our shelter and stuff for our sawmill, we should be good to go. We'll have a few more 6x6s ready to go. All right, we got a few rafters up. We put about 4 of them up. I cut a few more, the bird's mouth and the angle. But we'll do a black roof on the porch and match the building, and we'll be good to go. That's gonna be nice. We'll have a nice place to sit outside in thunderstorms when it's raining, snowing, and just another way to enjoy the outdoors here in peace and quiet. So. All right, if you haven't done so yet, just make sure you share, like, and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you soon.